Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an iodine solution. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Gather all your materials and ensure you're wearing appropriate personal protective equipment like gloves and eye protection. Work in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling any fumes. Understanding the potential risks associated with handling iodine is crucial for a safe process. To create your solution, you'll need a few key ingredients: iodine crystals, potassium iodide, and distilled water. The purity of your water is essential for an accurate solution. Precise measurements are vital for achieving the correct concentration. For example, a common ratio involves using 5 grams of iodine crystals with 10 grams of potassium iodide. The mixing process is straightforward. First, dissolve the potassium iodide in a small amount of distilled water. This helps the iodine dissolve more easily. Next, carefully add the iodine crystals to this potassium iodide solution. Stir the mixture thoroughly until all the solids have completely dissolved. Finally, dilute the solution to your desired final volume using more distilled water. Proper storage is key to maintaining your solution's effectiveness. Always store it in a dark, airtight container to prevent degradation. Keep the container away from direct sunlight and any sources of heat. Remember to clearly label your container with the contents and the date it was prepared. When it's time, ensure you dispose of any old or unused solution responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.